Welcome. Kim Searle, Emotional Mastery here. How are you doing today? Well, I hope. I wanted to talk today about energy. I am moving more and more into this realm because energy is what we are. We are made up of energy. But first, let me just start with, do you remember at school being in science classes and you had to write up a report on what you'd done and how it had gone and what the outcomes were? Do you remember the hypothesis, what it was you were expecting to happen? The methodology, maybe you even included what you needed for the experiment. And you wrote down all the steps that you took. And then you wrote the results. Do you remember all that? Maybe you did something similar once you got to college or university. It would have been objective, perhaps, and the content as what you found, and then the summary. Different headings, but the same principles. Here's a question for you. What if you and your life was just one big experiment? Now, I'm not talking aliens here or anything like that, but I'm talking about you knowing what it is that you want to go for, your hypothesis or your objective, the methods that you're taking to get yourself there, some of which you keep to and some of which you don't. What about the results that you're getting? Are you measuring them and checking them and seeing whether it's where you were hoping to end up? What if your hypothesis was based on the wrong premise, the wrong starting point? How different things might be. So as I said at the beginning of this video, we are all made up of energy. And I particularly focus on the biochemical, emotional, and the electrochemical, your thoughts, as a way of working with my clients. I'm sure there may be some other processes that go on, but I don't yet fully understand those. So, emotional mastery is exactly what it is. It's my own personal journey to where I'm going. How interesting, then, that if you are made up of these processes, what if that's the premise you should be looking at, the starting point? Or is it? Maybe there's something even deeper. When a client comes to see me, they come to me very, very often either with they've had some experiences in their life that they just are not able to resolve or put to bed or come to terms with. They come to me because they've got some faulty thinking going on. They can't stop their brain. They are constantly worried and what if, what if, what if? Or they've got some emotional angst going on. They're anxious, depressed. So they come for one of three reasons. But by working with somebody like me, what happens is they can begin to explore those in a deeper level of detail. We look at the methodology now as to what is really going on, understanding what they're doing now and what they could be doing different. And then I look to change the original hypothesis. What is it they want? How is it they want to feel, think, or experience? And then with their support, I facilitate them to make the changes that enable them to start to work in a different way, methodology, to bring about different results. Amazing, right? I know, and I love it. I love this process. So by understanding at a deeper level what is truly driving you, and it may not be what you think it is, and it may be, but either way, wouldn't it be great to make the changes that can make the ultimate difference to you and the path that you are on? I would love you to join me on my Be More You program, which is the stepping stone to making the deeper work. We explore your thoughts, your experiences, your emotions, and yes, an even deeper level of mind. I'm running one on the 28th and 29th of November. It's a weekend. Do check out my website. I'd love you to join me. It will be a very empowering weekend, by the end of which you will have taken one part of your life and you will have started to make the changes that are right for you. And no, you do not have to go into great levels of detail. The idea is that you just explore the methodology, the processes. And of course, if you wish to share, then it will be private and confidential. It's all part of the process. Check out my website, kim@kimsearle.co.uk. I would love to see you. The Be More You program. Thank you for listening. My name is Kim Searle, Emotional Mastery. Looking forward to having some conversations soon. Take care. Thank you.